this weekend would normally have been Festiniog Railway Society AGM weekend. And I know that many of our members would have been looking forward to being here at the railway and at Boston Lodge and wanting to look to see the progress that has taken place at the railway over the winter. Sadly, because of COVID-19, we can't do that. But what we can do, just briefly, is bring you up to date with Welsh Pony, which I know many of you have been asking questions about, and indeed continue to contribute to. So here we are at Boston Lodge, and this is Welsh Pony as it was when work stopped when we closed down because of the pandemic. And as you can see, the locomotive is well advanced. Rob Coulson has been busy making the spark arrestor and smoke box. There's quite a lot of work to go on to do that. There's much more work in a modern Welsh Pony than there is in the original one, which probably never had a spark arrestor. So a lot of work going on in there. And also there'll probably be a cutaway view now which will show you inside the cab of the locomotive as well, and you can see that work is coming on well with the plumbing up of the engine. So whilst it looks like the planned for debut in the summer may not now take place, once we can get working again, Welsh Pony will not take that long to be completed. It just depends on when we can safely work, when we can get people working back on this engine. But she's not far away, and hopefully in sunny days to come we'll all be enjoying this loco and the original FR carriages up and down our beloved Festiniog and Welsh Island railways.